Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on TalkBack's menu navigation option for default navigation in Motorola Edge 50 Neo phone. First of all, where to look for TalkBack's options. We need to go to Settings. Then in Settings we need to go to Accessibility Options menu and TalkBack is here. Then in Settings we need to go to Customize Menus. Next, Customize TalkBack menu. And here we are looking for the navigation portion. Here, edit navigation options, and then we are looking for default navigation. So what does this option do exactly? We have short explanation here. Read one item at a time, simply. So we can turn it on by checking this box. It's a simple on or off switch. There are no other hidden options here. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.